In this fascinating journey of the world's largest heavy machinery, we will witness the enormous power and great capabilities of some extraordinary machines. These colossal machines are the epitome of engineering excellence, revolutionizing industries such as mining, construction, and infrastructure. Be sure to watch the video to the end, and you'll be impressed by the power and strength of these machines. The Liebherr T282C is a remarkable giant in the world of mining haul trucks. With its immense size and power, it stands as one of the largest and most impressive vehicles in its class. This colossal machine has a payload capacity of up to 400 tons, allowing it to handle massive amounts of material with ease. The T282C is equipped with advanced features and technology to ensure optimal performance, efficiency, and safety in demanding mining operations. Its robust construction and powerful engine make it a reliable workhorse, capable of tackling the toughest terrains and hauling heavy loads across vast mining sites. The Liebherr T282C truly represents the epitome of strength, productivity, and innovation in the world of heavy equipment. The Caterpillar 797F is an iconic heavyweight in the realm of mining trucks. Renowned for its sheer size and strength, it stands as one of the largest haul trucks ever built. This colossal machine boasts a colossal payload capacity of up to 400 tons, allowing it to move enormous quantities of material in a single haul. Powered by a mighty engine generating over 4,000 horsepower, the 797F conquers steep grades and challenging terrains effortlessly. Its durable frame and advanced suspension system provide exceptional stability and control, ensuring safe and smooth operation even in rugged mining environments. With its impressive capacity and exceptional performance, the Caterpillar 797F is a true titan in the world of heavy equipment, setting new standards for productivity and efficiency in mining operations. The Komatsu PC8000 is a behemoth in the world of mining excavators. With its massive size and impressive capabilities, it is designed to tackle the most demanding mining and earth-moving tasks. Powered by a robust engine delivering over 4,000 horsepower, this excavator exhibits immense digging power and efficiency. With a bucket capacity of up to 42 cubic meters, the PC8000-6 can handle substantial volumes of material in a single scoop. It is engineered to excel in large-scale mining operations, including open-pit mines and quarry applications. The EH5000AC is a remarkable electric mining shovel that stands as a pinnacle of advanced technology and immense power. Designed for large-scale mining operations, it offers unparalleled capabilities and efficiency, making it a preferred choice in the industry. With its impressive operating weight of over 1,400 tons, the EH5000AC demonstrates its strength and robustness. It is equipped with a powerful electric motor that generates up to 6,000 horsepower, enabling it to handle the toughest digging and loading tasks with ease. The EH5000AC boasts a large bucket capacity of up to 115 cubic meters, allowing for efficient excavation and loading of vast quantities of material in a single passive. The Hitachi EH5000AC-3 is an extraordinary haul truck that represents the pinnacle of performance and productivity in the mining industry. Designed to handle massive payloads with ease, it is a reliable workhorse in the most demanding mining operations. With a payload capacity of up to 326 tons, the EH5000AC-3 is built to handle large quantities of material efficiently. Its robust construction and powerful engine deliver the necessary power and torque to navigate steep inclines and rough terrain, ensuring uninterrupted operations even in challenging conditions. The Liebherr LR13000 is an extraordinary crawler crane that stands as one of the largest and most powerful cranes in the world. With its immense lifting capacity and impressive reach, it is a true engineering marvel designed to tackle the most demanding lifting operations. With a maximum lifting capacity of 3,000 metric tons, 3,306 US tons, the LR13000 is capable of lifting massive loads with precision and control. Its advanced hydraulic system and innovative boom configuration provide exceptional stability and lifting performance, allowing it to handle heavy loads with ease. One of the standout features of the LR13000 is its impressive height and reach. With a maximum lifting height of up to 248 meters 814 feet and a maximum boom length of 144 meters 472 feet, it can access and lift objects in towering structures and challenging environments. The Terex RH400 is an exceptional hydraulic mining excavator renowned for its massive size and incredible productivity. As one of the largest hydraulic excavators in the world, it is specifically designed to handle heavy-duty mining and earth-moving operations with ease. With a weight of around 980 metric tons, the RH400 is an absolute heavyweight in the industry. One of the standout features of the RH400 is its exceptional digging depth and reach. With a maximum digging depth of approximately 65.6 feet and a maximum reach of around 78.7 feet, it can effectively extract material from deep mining pits and efficiently load it onto haul trucks. The Bucyrus 8750 is a colossal mining excavator that stands as a symbol of power and capability in the mining industry. As one of the largest excavators ever built, it is specifically designed for handling massive earth-moving and mining operations with exceptional efficiency. With an impressive weight of approximately 7,500 tons, the Bucyrus 8750 is a true heavyweight in its class. It features a robust structure and powerful components that enable it to tackle the most demanding excavation tasks with ease. The excavator's immense size and strength allow it to move vast amounts of material in a single operation, significantly increasing productivity on mining sites. The LKRH200 is a formidable hydraulic excavator that has earned its reputation as a reliable and high-performance machine in the construction and mining sectors. With its impressive size and power, it is designed to handle demanding excavation tasks with precision and efficiency. The LKRH200 boasts a robust structure and powerful components that allow it to tackle large-scale earth-moving projects with ease. It is equipped with a spacious and ergonomic operator's cabin that provides excellent visibility and comfort, enabling operators to work effectively for extended periods. The machine's advanced hydraulic system ensures smooth and responsive operation, allowing for precise digging, loading, and material handling. As we conclude our exploration of these titans of industry, we are left with a deep appreciation for the engineering marvels that have made monumental tasks seem effortless. These machines stand as testaments to human innovation and determination. With their exceptional capabilities, they continue to drive progress and shape the future of heavy industry. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content on the world's most impressive heavy equipment. See you soon. Bye.